Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Grammar Classes with Rachna Sharma. So friends, today we will start with the present perfect continuous tense, and this is the last tense of a present family. Before starting the video, I would like to say please do subscribe, share and like my video. So without getting any delay, we start present perfect continuous. So friends, I tell you present perfect continuous tense. So the important thing in this present perfect continuous tense that the work which we have started before is continue going on. जो काम हमने पहले शुरू किया था वो अभी भी कंटिन्यू चल रहा है. That's why we say it present perfect continuous tense. And the second thing is that a period of time is given here. It might be fixed, it might not be fixed. Means ये fix भी हो सकता है और not fix भी नहीं हो सकता. For example, आज सुबह से बारिश हो रही है. मैं सुबह के 6 बजे से पढ़ रहा हूँ और मैं 2 घंटे से सो रहा हूँ. When we talk about a particular time, when we talk about a fixed time, तो we say that that the time is fixed. That we are talking about this. We use since in a sentence. When we use कौन 2 घंटे से सो रहा हूँ, जब हम कहते हैं कि हम 2 घंटे से सो रहा हूँ, means we don't know, we never know which hours he is talking about. That means it is morning time or it is evening time. That's why we are saying for. We are using here in a sentence for. So let's check some example. हिंदी में जब हम बात करेंगे तो हिंदी में टेंस है वह 2 घंटे से सो रहा है. आज सुबह से बारिश हो रही है. मीन्स इफ़ यू चेक द हिंदी सेंटेंसेस, व्हाट वी फाइंड हिंदी सेंटेंसेस के लास्ट में जो आता है जा रहा है, खा रहा है, एंड एज आई हैव टोल्ड यू अ टाइम ऑफ पीरियड इज गिवन हियर. So as we are look at the English sentences, they have been playing for 2 hours. Okay, he has been living in Noida since 1970. Now look at this sentence. He has been living in Noida since 1970. That means a particular time, a fixed time is given here. That's why we have used since. Okay, when they have been playing for 2 hours, for 2 hours, we don't know which time, which hours he is talking about. That's why we have used here for. Now friend, I am telling you about has been or have been in a sentence. Has been, as I have told you in last video, has हम कहाँ use करते हैं, have हम कहाँ use करते हैं. When the subject is singular, when the subject is singular or he, she, it or name is given there in a sentence, so we use has. That means we use has been there. Okay, when I, we, you, they, or you can say the subject is plural, so we use have been. Now friends, I tell you about the subparts of this tense. Okay, you know the subparts. In every video I am telling you the subparts of the tenses. So affirmative positive sentences, negative sentences, interrogative sentences and interrogative come negative. Now I tell you the structure, how to make this tense. Okay, now friends, I tell you the 4 subparts of this tense. Okay, so we see affirmative, number 1 affirmative, we see negative, then interrogative and interrogative come negative. साथ ही साथ we will see the examples. So we see the first affirmative or positive sentence. Subject plus has been, have been plus verb की first form plus ing or since or for. I have told you she has been sleeping for 3 hours. So if we see according to the structure, we see here we had written everything here. She has been we have written here according to the subject. Okay, as verb की first form plus ing is here. For we have used because we don't know which hours he is talking about. So we have written here for. Okay, next we see subject plus has or have plus not. Important thing is there, not plus not, been plus verb की first form plus ing and plus since or for as usual. So we see the example. They have not been playing since morning. Okay, here in this example he see the if about a particular time since morning, वो सुबह से नहीं खेल रहे हैं. Okay, that's why we have put here since. And next we see interrogative sentence, has or have, because we are asking the question, that's why has or have plus subject plus been plus verb first form plus ing since or for and plus question mark. So see the example, has he been sleeping for 2 hours question mark. Okay, now see interrogative come negative, has or have plus subject, and the difference is there not, we have put here not plus been verbs first form since or for. So if we make the sentence of interrogative come negative, what we will make, has he not been sleeping for 2 hours. Okay, so that's it. Or friends, I am telling you this is next we do about the question words. So friends, now I tell you how we make the question interrogative sentences with question words. With question word when we use why, where, when, what. Okay, so let's see some sentences. Why has the child been weeping for 2 hours? ये सेम बनेंगे तो सेम ऐसे जैसे interrogative, but what we have to do, we have to put wow word means wow family, or we can say the question word at the beginning of the sentence. Okay, so let's see sentences. Why has the child been weeping for 2 hours question mark. So when has it been raining since morning question mark. Where have you been studying for 3 hours. So these are the sentences we make with the question words. So friends, revision time is here. So now we do the revision that tenses which we have covered till now of the present family. So we see, we are eating grapes. Number 1, she plays. I have solved the sums. And next, they have been watching TV for 2 hours. First, what you have to do, you have to please watch and observe these sentences, and you have to tell me in comment box which tenses are these. ये कौन से टेंसेज हैं, ठीक है. एंड देन व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, यू हैव टू नाउ कन्वर्ट इट इन ऑल द सब पार्ट्स. नाउ आई एम टेलिंग यू द फर्स्ट वन, वी आर ईटिंग ग्रेप्स. वी आर नॉट ईटिंग ग्रेप्स. आर वी ईटिंग ग्रेप्स. आर वी नॉट ईटिंग ग्रेप्स. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट वन, शी प्लेज. शी प्लेज. शी डज नॉट प्ले. डज शी प्लेज. डज शी नॉट प्ले. एंड द नेक्स्ट वन, आई हैव सॉल्व्ड द सम्स. आई हैव सॉल्व्ड द सम्स. I have not solved the sums. Have I solved the sums? Have I not solved the sums? And this, the last one is, they have been watching TV for 2 hours. This is the positive. They have not been watching TV for 2 hours. Have they been watching TV for 2 hours? Have they not been watching TV for 2 hours? So friends, this is enough for today, and I hope कि आप सब लोग मुझे बताएंगे कमेंट बॉक्स में कमेंट करके ये कौन कौन से टेंसेज हैं. So you have to tell me in comment box, and that's it. That's enough for today, and please do like and subscribe my video. Thank you. Thanks for watching. So friends, one more thing I would like to say कि friends, I have made video for you because you know we are doing so much effort for you, because you know 11 o'clock हो रहे हैं and I'm making video for you, and इसके लिए एक लाइक और एक सब्सक्राइब तो बनता ही है. और साथ में मैं ये कहना चाहूँगी कि इतने सारा हमारे घर में अभी वाइट वॉश और ये सब बहुत कुछ काम हो रहा है, तो we don't have fan here in this room, and I am shooting this video only because only for you. So friends, मैं चाहती हूँ कि प्लीज़ आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आती है तो आप लाइक और सब्सक्राइब और शेयर ज़रूर करें. थैंक यू.